Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex bringing you an introduction to the advanced version of my new Easy Color Trend and Flat MT4 trading system. In the advanced version, you receive an additional 5 very special indicators that make your trading much easier and also can make your trading set and forget. So the very first trade tool that I like very much and cannot trade without is the EasyOrder script, which automatically places your trade with your broker, including the stop loss and take profit, directly on your chart when you select either buy or sell or the limit or stop orders. So we know we're in a blue box, we're looking for buy trade, so I would click buy, and then it automatically finds the major support and resistance for the time frame I'm trading in. This is a 1 hour chart, so it's found the major resistance, which is your take profit, and the support, which would be your stop. And the best thing about this trading system and the EasyOrder script is that you can change your take profit or stop loss lines directly on your chart. Just double click and you can move them up and down on your chart by double clicking. And if you want to, for instance, move your take profit up higher to give you a better risk to reward ratio, then you just double click on the blue take profit line and you can drag it up to resistance 3, or you can move your take profit to the dash magenta line, which is a major key level, and that's one of the other advanced tools that you receive in the advanced system. So just double click it if you want to solidify. So by doing that, you can increase your risk to reward ratio. If you want to adjust your stop loss and make it wider, just double click on the stop loss line and drag it down to wherever you want it. You can drag it down to support 1, support 2, or support 3, depending on your trading strategy. So this makes the placement of your take profit and stop loss and the order with your broker all in one click. Once you have your take profit and stop loss lines on your chart the way you like them, just click submit. And before you click submit, you can change your lot size here to be whatever you like it to be, just by changing it like this. Then once you have that the way you want, then you can click submit, and your order is placed directly with your broker with that one click, and it includes the take profit and stop loss orders that are on your chart. Then the next feature is the Cynthia's Trailing EA, which is my own trade manager, which I love very much. It comes with 7 different trail types, and I've created several different preset files for you to choose from to load. And so you can learn how to use the Trailing EA by using my presets, and then you'll understand the settings enough that you can adjust the preset files and make them more suitable to whatever your own personal trading style is. The next feature of the advanced system is the major and minor key levels, which the indicator directly plots right on your chart, and even if you change the time frames, they stay the same. But now we can have automatically drawn on our charts the major and minor key levels, which the bankers and the hedge fund traders trade between. So now we can see them very easily on our chart. And the major key level is the dashed magenta line, and they're spaced every 100 pips apart. So here's one right above resistance 3. Right on resistance 2 is another major key level, which is 100 pips from this one. And down here you have another major key level, and then you'll have another major key level. And it's very interesting how they fall around the support and resistance lines The major key levels are 100 pips apart, and hedge fund traders and the bankers all trade from major key level to major key level, so you can enter or exit at the key levels if that's what you'd like to do. Also, it includes the minor key level drawn directly on your chart, which are these dashed blue lines, and they are spaced 25 pips apart. So if you're scalping, they make for very easy entry and exit targets. The next indicator is the Forex Factory Calendar Headlines, which I have it set so that it pulls only the red news events from the Forex Factory calendar, and it gives me a pop-up alert 5 minutes before a major news event happens, so I'm never caught unaware. And I can then decide if I want to close trades before the news event or adjust my take profit or stop loss on my chart. The next indicator is the most advanced indicator, which probably is better left for advanced traders to use. Everything I've shown you before this can be used by newbie or intermediate traders, but the next indicator is more suitable for advanced traders. It's my Fibonacci Retracement tool. And Fibonacci by itself is a study, which I think every trader should eventually get around to studying and learning and understanding. And it also shows you the retracements on your chart. So retracement trading is another advanced trading technique, but I think it's a very important one. It's the way I like to trade. It makes trend trading easier than trying to find the beginning of a major trend, which is difficult, especially if you're a North American trader and you're usually asleep during the London session when the major trends actually change. So this trading tool makes it easy for you to be able to get up in the morning whenever you're comfortable, and you can identify very easily on your chart what the major trend is. The box tells us that. The box color is the daily trend, and then you have the clear trends very easily to be seen on your chart. But what's more important is during major trends, you're going to have minor trends within, which are swings, and those are called pullbacks or retracements, and they're very important to be able to identify. And normally it's not that easy to identify them, but with this Fibonacci retracement tool, whenever the price goes into a retracement like it is right now, you can see the trend was up, now the trend is down ever so slightly. This indicator draws the Fibonacci retracement box directly on the chart. This beige box tells you that this was the beginning of the retracement, and currently on this candle we're still in a retracement. Now, if and when the trend ever resumes back to the upside, this beige retracement box will disappear, and then all the other indicators will very clearly tell you to enter with a new trade going to the upside. Everything will be turning green in that instance. So retracement trading is very important for intermediate and advanced traders to learn how to do, because it makes trading so much easier, because you don't have to find the very beginning of a breakout or breakdown, a major new trend. You can see clearly on your chart that you're in a retracement or a pullback, and not to trade that. It keeps you out of bad shallow trades, which are basically trendless, and then when it resumes the original trend, then you can jump in very easily. So this makes trading easier for most traders. Those are my 5 advanced tools that you receive, and of course you receive a PDF with lots of training videos and screenshots. This system also, of course, just like the basic system, comes with the one-click auto installation. And of course you can always email me if you have questions. So I hope this is something that you'd like to pick up at this time. It's just a small extra increase in price, and I think it's well worth it for the 5 trading tools that you receive. Just go ahead and click the buy button on the web page below you and pick this up now. and you can get started on your advanced training with these wonderful trading tools that make your trading much easier as far as trade placement goes with the EasyOrder script. And then the Cynthia's Trailing EA Trade Manager is what will make your trades set and forget. And that's the way I like to trade, and so I'm sharing it with you. So thanks very much, and thank you for watching the video, and have a great trading day.